Hello and welcome back. In this video lesson, I will be taking you through integrations and showing you how easy and simple it is for you to integrate with Simplify.hr. Quickly navigate to the left and click on My Organization, right? And you will click on Integrations. Okay, and we are going to integrate with an ATS. So it will basically look like this, and to the far right is ATS integrations, and that's where we want to be. So you'll click on Add Integration, and this is the ATS that we are currently integrated with, and it's Simplify.hr. So you can click there, and it says please enter your Simplify.hr token below. Okay, so now we have to go to Simplify.hr to get the token, right? So this is what your dashboard would look like on Simplify.hr, and you can click here on settings, and under settings you will click on integrations, right? And while you are on integrations, you will click on API. That's where we want to be. Awesome. So if on your page the token is not generated, like mine, it's already generated, then you would click on generate token. But it's important to note that if there is a token generated already, you shouldn't click on generate token again. Otherwise, this can mess with any other APIs that you had already used this token for. So I have that already. If you don't, then you'll click on generate token for you to have this token. And it's also important that we have this on. Okay, so here it says your application can use the token to access and manage your hiring data. Then we have to make sure that this is on. So right now I'm going to copy this token, and I'm going to go back to my Wamly, and there we go. I'm going to press there, and I can click on connect. Right? So it says you have connected your ATS system. Nice and simple. There we go. My Simplify.hr is integrated. All right, so now I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to import your candidates from Simplify.hr onto your Wamly portal and send them their interview invites. Okay, so navigate to the left and click on projects. Okay, so this is the project that I want to add my candidates to. So I'll click on my project, I'll open my project, and I will click on add/edit candidates. Okay, and then I'll click on add more candidates. All right, so we've already gone through option one, and I've already shown you how to add candidates manually. And now we're going to deal with option two, and I'm going to show you how to import from an ATS. And in this case, we're using Simplify.hr. So you're going to click on option two, right? And then you're going to type the name of the vacancy. So there it is, and you can search it. Okay, select any option. There we go. Click on the drop down, and here's my vacancy. So Wamly tutorial. Okay, and it says select stage. So on my Simplify.hr, I would have categorized my candidates already in different stages. So when you click on this drop down, these are all the stages that you would get on your Simplify.hr portal. For instance, for all the candidates who have applied for that particular vacancy, they would all be under applied. But I've already shortlisted my candidates and I've put them under shortlist. So now when I click on shortlist, it will only give me access to the candidates that I've shortlisted on my Simplify.hr portal. Okay, so now we're going to click on import. Right, so these are the two candidates that I want to send the interview invites to. And once I'm happy with that, I can click on save and close. So once I click on save and close, the system automatically sends the candidates the interview invite for this particular project. Okay, so two candidates are selected to be imported, two candidates successfully imported, 0 failed. So we click on close, and here are my two candidates successfully added, and I can go back to my project, And once I'm on my project dashboard, now I have 4 candidates, which means my 2 candidates were successfully added, and the candidates would have automatically received an interview invite because this project is active already. However, if it was under draft, then obviously then you would have to add all your candidates, and once you click update and activate your project, then once the project is active, all the candidates will receive their interview invites for them to take the interview. And that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.